Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to crochet this baby Easter chick. This is a cute little project where you have multiple combinations of how you want it to be done. The first combination is with a shell and a feather on top. The second combination is with feet and a feather on top. You can decide to have your chick like this, where you have a shell at the top and feet at the bottom. And the final combination is with the shell on the bottom and the shell on the top. This is a fun little Easter project, which doesn't take too long to make. The yarn that I used for this project, for the yellow I used Cascade Ultra Pima yarn. For the rest of it, the orange, the white shells, and the black, I used Payne's Grace. Size 3. The Cascade Ultra Pima also comes in, it's the same size as the Payne's Grace. Okay. And then I used, for the cheeks, just some leftover pink yarn. Again, same size as the Payne's Grace. I used a size 2.75mm steel crochet hook and a tapestry needle. So for this project, we're going to start by creating the body, and then we're going to move on to the wings, the beak, the feet, and then the shells, bottom shell, and then lastly the top shell. So once again, each of the elements is up to you to decide how you want to make your chick, but I will be showing you how to create each element in the video, and in the description I will have the time slots to where those specific instructions will be. As with all my tutorials, this is a full tutorial where I will show you how to do everything from start to finish. Once again, thank you for watching. Check out my other projects on my channel and subscribe for more videos. So let's begin with our body. For our body, we're going to take our yellow yarn and we're going to do 6 single crochet into a magic ring. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For round 2, we're going to do an increase into each stitch, so that's 2 single crochet into each of our stitches. So at the end of round 2, you should have 12 stitches all the way around. For round 3, we will do 1 single crochet into the first stitch, followed by an increase. One single crochet, followed by an increase. One single crochet, increase, one single crochet, increase all the way around. I will meet you at the end of round 3. So at the end of round 3, you should have 18 stitches all the way around. To begin round 4, we will do 2 single crochet and then an increase. So I put my stitch marker in, and now we're going to do 1 single crochet in the first stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, followed by an increase. Okay, so that's the pattern all the way around. 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, increase all the way around. I will meet you at the end of this round. Here we are at the end of round 4. You should have 24 stitches all the way around. For round 5, we will do 3 single crochet and then an increase. So 1 single crochet, and the next one 1 single crochet, and the next one 1 single crochet, and the next one an increase. So that's our pattern all the way around. Single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, increase, all the way around. I will meet you at the end of this round. So here we are at the end of round 5. You should have 30 stitches all the way around. For round 6, we will begin with 2 single crochet, 1, 2, 1 in each stitch, followed by an increase. After that, we will do 4 single crochet, 1 in each stitch, followed by an increase. So that'll be our pattern all the way around. 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, followed by an increase. 1, 2, and that'll lead us to the last 2 stitches. I will meet you at the last 2 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, increase. I will meet you here. So here I am at the last 2 stitches. In the last 2 stitches, we will do 1 single crochet. 1, 2. So we finished round 6. We are now on round 7. For round 7, we will begin with 5 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, by an increase. So that'll be our pattern all the way around. 5 single crochet and an increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, increase all the way around. I will meet you there. So here we are at the end of round 7. You should have 42 stitches all the way around. For round 8 to 12, we will do 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. So that's the next 5 rows. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We will do 1 single crochet all the way around. Okay, so I will meet you at the end of row 12. So here we are at the end of row 12. Your piece will look like this. For round 13, we will begin with 6 single crochet, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, followed by an increase. 1, 2, and that's our pattern all the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, single crochet, followed by an increase all the way around. I will meet you at the end of this round. So here we are at the end of round 13. Your piece will look like this. You should have 48 stitches all the way around. For round 14 to 18, so 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, the next 5 rounds, we will do 1 single crochet in each stitch. And at this point as well, you can also insert your safety eyes if you have them. I don't have safety eyes. I'm going to be using string, which I will do later on in this tutorial. But if you have safety eyes, you can do them now. You want to insert them in between rows 10 and 11. So to count your rows, we start at the top here. 1, these lumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So in between 10 and 11. So right here, you want to do it, insert your safety eyes with 5 stitches in between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? That's how you want to do that if you have safety eyes. If not, we'll just continue 1 single crochet in the next 5 rounds, and I will meet you at the end of round 18. So here we are at the end of round 18. This is what your piece will look like. You should still have 48 stitches all the way around. For round 19, we will begin with 7 single crochet, 1 in each stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, followed by an increase. 1, 2. Okay, so that'll be your pattern all the way around. 7 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, followed by an increase, and I will meet you all the way at the end at the beginning here. And that'll be your pattern. I will meet you at the beginning. So here we are at the end of round 19. You should have 54 stitches all the way around. For round 20 and 21, we will do 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. So the next 2 rounds, 20 and 21. I will meet you at the end of round 21. So here we are at the end of round 21. Your piece will look like this. For round 22, we will begin with 7 single crochet. One, 2, and then a decrease. For a decrease, we're going to insert our hook into the front loop. So each stitch has 2 loops, just the front loop. in the first stitch, and then insert it back again into the next stitch, the front loop. We have 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. That'll be a decrease. Okay, so that's our pattern all the way around. 7 single crochet followed by a decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 followed by a decrease. So insert your hook to the front loop of the first stitch, insert your hook into the front loop of the next stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, we will do that 7 single crochet decrease all the way around. I will meet you at the end of this round. So here we are at the end of round 22. Your piece will look like this. You should have 48 stitches all the way around. For round 23, we will begin with 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, and then we will do a decrease. Followed by 6 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then a decrease. And that'll be your pattern all the way around. 6 single crochet, decrease until the last 3 stitches. 6 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, decrease all the way around until the last 3 stitches. I will meet you at the last 3 stitches. So here we are in the last 3 stitches. In the last 3 stitches, we will do 1 single crochet. 1, 2, and 3. So now we finish round 23. We should have 42 stitches all the way around. For round 24, we will do 5 single crochet followed by a decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, followed by a decrease. So that's our pattern all the way around. 5 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, followed by a decrease all the way around. I will meet you at the end of this round. So here we are at the end of round 24. You should have 36 stitches all the way around. For round 25, we will work in the back loops only. So each stitch has 2 loops. We will work in the back loops only. This one. We will do 4 single crochet and then a decrease. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a decrease. So the decrease will also be in the back loop. So insert your hook into the back loop, the first one, insert your hook into the back loop, the second one. 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So that'll be your pattern all the way around. 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, and all in the back loop, followed by a decrease in the back loop. Four single crochet, decrease all the way around. I will meet you at the end of this round. So at this point we can start to stuff it. I don't have enough cotton stuffing, so I'm going to be using Kleenex instead. I'm going to take the 2-ply Kleenex, pull it apart, and then just start stuffing it with this. So now I'm going to continue decreasing, working on the next round, and I'm going to continue adding stuffing as I go. For round 26, we'll begin with 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So we're going to work the stitches like regular again, inserting our hook into both stitches. Then we will do a decrease. Insert your hook into the front loop, insert your hook into the front loop, pull through 2, pull through 2. And that'll be your pattern all the way around. 1 single crochet in the next 3 stitches. followed by a decrease. I will meet you at the end of this round. So at the end of round 26, you should have 24 stitches all the way around. For round 7, we're going to do 2 single crochet, followed by a decrease. All the way around, I will meet you at the end of this round. I will also continue to stuff my piece. So here we are at the end of round 27. You should have 18 stitches all the way around. For round 28, we will do 1 single crochet and then a decrease. One single crochet, decrease. All the way around, I will meet you at the end of this round. For the last round, we will do a decrease in each stitch all the way around. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we will cut the yarn, pull our yarn tail out, put the tail onto a tapestry needle, and we're going to weave it in. So to weave it in each of the 6 stitches, we're going to work into the front loop, go into the first stitch from the bottom up, keep it loose, go into the next stitch, down, the next stitch up, the next stitch down, the next stitch up, and the last stitch down, and the last stitch down. Then you will pull, and you will pull it tight, and that'll close it off. Going to insert your needle back into the center or to the center, pull it out to the side, pull it like that, cut it, and stick it in. There, we've made the body.